ever wondered what makes Bora Bora cuisine so tantalizing to the palate? Let's unravel that culinary mystery today. Hello there and welcome to Passport Journey. Nestled in the heart of the South Pacific, Bora Bora is a dreamy island paradise known for its azure lagoons, lush greenery, and a unique cuisine that's as vibrant and welcoming as the island itself. A meal in Bora Bora is more than just food. It's an adventure of flavors, a dance of textures, a celebration of the island's bounty. The cuisine here is a delightful blend of French sophistication and Polynesian zest, a testament to its rich colonial history and its ancestral roots. From the freshest seafood caught straight from the lagoon to the ripest fruits plucked from the island's verdant groves, every dish is a testament to the freshness and quality of its ingredients. The flavors of Bora Bora are vibrant and bold, yet balanced. Here, sweet meets sour, spicy meets tangy, and the result is a culinary journey that promises to surprise and satisfy with every bite. Think of succulent fish marinated in zesty lime juice and creamy coconut milk, or sweet tropical fruits doused in rich vanilla sauce. The cuisine of Bora Bora is a symphony of flavors that sings the song of the island. But the island's cuisine isn't just about flavors. It's about the love and passion that goes into preparing each dish, the time-honored traditions that have been passed down through generations, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. It's about sitting down to a feast prepared with love, savoring each bite, and feeling the warmth of the island's hospitality. So are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? To taste the flavors of the sea, the land, and the love that goes into every dish? To discover the heart and soul of Bora Bora through its food? Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can catch our newest upcoming videos. We have a lot of delicious explorations coming your way. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 dishes that best represent Bora Bora's culinary scene. Starting our gastronomic journey, we have poisson cru, Bora Bora's national dish, and chevrettes, a delightful shrimp dish. Poisson cru, which translates to raw fish, is a refreshing tropical concoction that perfectly encapsulates the vibrant flavors of Bora Bora. Imagine taking the freshest catch of the day, dicing it into bite-sized pieces, and marinating it in a zesty mixture of lime juice and sea salt. The acidity from the lime essentially cooks the fish, altering its texture and flavor, making it firm and tangy. But what truly brings this dish to life is the addition of creamy coconut milk, which introduces a velvety richness that beautifully balances the tangy citrus notes. A sprinkle of freshly chopped vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, and spring onions adds a welcome crunch, rounding off the dish with a refreshing finish. Poisson cru is not just a dish, it's a celebration of the island's bountiful marine life and lush vegetation. Next, we have chevrettes, a popular shrimp dish that's truly a seafood lover's delight. The shrimps are caught fresh from the local waters, ensuring their sweet, delicate flavor is preserved. They're then sautéed in a medley of finely chopped garlic, ginger, and a splash of rum, infusing them with a robust, aromatic flavor. The kick of the rum, the warmth of the ginger, and the pungency of the garlic create a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. The dish is often served over a bed of fluffy, steamed white rice that soaks up all the delicious juices, ensuring that no flavor goes to waste. In Bora Bora, food is not just sustenance, it's a form of expression, a way of celebrating the island's rich cultural heritage and abundant natural resources. Both poisson cru and chevrettes are prime examples of this, showcasing the island's seafood and unique flavor combinations in the most delightful way. These dishes are just the beginning of the rich culinary tapestry of Bora Bora. Next, we explore the exotic flavors of fafaru and matu chin. Diving right into our third dish, fafaru, we find ourselves swimming in the deep, rich traditions of Bora Bora's culinary heritage. Fafaru, often referred to as fish fermented in seawater, is a unique delicacy that, quite literally, embodies the essence of the ocean. This dish is traditionally prepared by marinating local seafood in seawater and fermented coconut pulp, letting the natural enzymes and bacteria break down the proteins, enhancing the flavor profile. The result? A dish that is robust, tangy, and full of umami, piquing the curiosity of adventurous foodies worldwide. Now, moving on to matu chin, a dish that highlights the fusion of different cultures on this island paradise. Matu chin, also known as Chinese duck, is a testament to the influence of Chinese immigrants in Bora Bora. This dish is a symphony of flavors, combining the succulent and rich taste of duck with the sweet and sour notes of pineapple and lychee. The duck is marinated in soy sauce, 5-spice, and honey, then slow-cooked until tender. The final touch is a generous serving of pineapple and lychee, adding a tropical twist to this Chinese classic. Both fafaru and matuchin, despite their contrasting flavors, represent the diversity and depth of Bora Bora's cuisine. One, a testament to the island's abundant marine life and age-old preservation techniques, the other, a reflection of cultural exchange and adaptation. These dishes are more than just a meal. They are a journey, a story of the island's historical and cultural evolution, served on a plate for all to experience. Whether you're a seasoned gourmet or a curious traveler, the distinctive taste of fafaru and the fusion flavors of matuchin are sure to leave an unforgettable impression. As we continue, prepare your palate for more delightful Bora Bora dishes. Venturing further, we discover the sweet delicacy, po, and the versatile uru. Let's begin with po. This dessert is a true testament to the creative genius of Bora Bora's culinary artists. At its core, po is a pudding-like dish made from taro root, a staple ingredient in Polynesian cuisine. This robust root is grated into a fine paste and then mixed with banana puree, giving the dish a delightful, creamy texture. But the adventure doesn't end there. The mixture is then sweetened with brown sugar and coconut cream, which lends a luscious richness that is simply irresistible. The final touch? A wrap in banana leaves and a slow bake in the traditional underground oven, known as the ahima'a. The result? A dessert that is not only sweet and creamy but also carries an earthy aroma that is uniquely Bora Bora. Moving on to our sixth dish, the uru, or breadfruit as it's commonly known. This is no ordinary fruit. Its versatility is truly astonishing. It can be roasted, boiled, or turned into a sweet or savory dish depending on its ripeness. When ripe, the uru has a sweet, custard-like flavor that makes it perfect for desserts and sweet dishes. When unripe, it has a starchy texture and a mild taste, making it an excellent substitute for potatoes. In Bora Bora, it's often sliced, deep-fried, and served as a side dish, or used as a base for hearty stews. The uru is not just a food source, but a symbol of life and abundance in Bora Bora's culture. So there you have it, the sweet and creamy po, and the versatile and hearty uru. Two dishes that showcase the diversity and creativity of Bora Bora's cuisine. They embody the island's rich cultural heritage, its respect for nature, and its ingenuity in transforming simple, local ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Stay tuned as we unveil more culinary treasures from Bora Bora. Next on our list, we have ma'a tahiti, a traditional feast dish, and eia ota, a Polynesian ceviche. These two dishes are not just about food, they're about culture, tradition, and a unique blend of flavors that make Bora Bora's cuisine truly one of a kind. Let's start with ma'a tahiti. This isn't just a dish, it's a grand event, a feast that brings together the community. Ma'a tahiti is traditionally prepared in an underground oven known as an umu, and consists of a variety of foods. From fish marinated in coconut milk, to pork wrapped in banana leaves, to root vegetables like taro and sweet potatoes, ma'a tahiti is a conversation starter, a testament to the island's abundant natural resources. The flavors are earthy, rich, and satisfying, a true culinary experience that feeds both body and soul. On the other hand, eia ota, often referred to as the Polynesian ceviche, is a lighter, fresher dish. It's made from raw fish, usually tuna, that's marinated in citrus juice, typically lime. The acid from the lime cooks the fish, turning it firm and opaque. It's then mixed with diced vegetables like cucumber, tomato, and onion, and a generous splash of coconut milk. The result is a vibrant, refreshing dish that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. The acidity from the lime, the creaminess of the coconut milk, the crunch of the vegetables, and the silky texture of the fish create a symphony of flavors and textures in every bite. As different as they may be, ma'a tahiti and eia ota both represent the spirit of Bora Bora's cuisine, a celebration of local ingredients, traditional cooking methods, and communal dining. They're a testament to the island's vibrant culture and the ingenuity of its people. As we near the end of our list, the flavors of Bora Bora continue to astound us. From hearty feasts to refreshing ceviches, there's a dish for every palate, every occasion, and every food lover. So whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Bora Bora's culinary scene is sure to leave you craving for more. To wrap up our list, we have the luxurious Bora Bora lobster and the refreshing Hinano beer. Let's begin with the Bora Bora lobster. Now, this is not your average lobster. This crustacean is an iconic part of the local cuisine, holding a special place in the hearts of the locals and tourists alike. The Bora Bora lobster is known for its sweet and succulent flavor, which is amplified by the simple yet effective preparation methods. The lobster is caught fresh from the turquoise waters surrounding the island, and the freshness is truly palpable in every bite. It's typically grilled or broiled to perfection, allowing the natural flavors to shine through. The final product is a beautifully charred lobster, juicy and flavorful, a true delight to the senses. And to wash down this decadent dish, there's nothing quite like a chilled bottle of Hinano beer. Hinano beer is a household name in French Polynesia, and it's the perfect companion to the rich and sweet lobster meat. This beer is a lager, brewed for over 60 years in the heart of Tahiti. With its light, crisp taste and a slight hint of bitterness, Hinano beer is the perfect antidote to the tropical heat. Its distinctive blue and white label featuring a Polynesian maiden has become a symbol of the laid-back island life. Just imagine, sitting on a white sandy beach, the sun setting in the backdrop, a plate of grilled Bora Bora lobster in front of you, and a cold Hinano beer in your hand. That's the taste of paradise, encapsulated in two of Bora Bora's most beloved treats. But remember, these dishes are more than just food and drink. They are a reflection of the island's rich culture and heritage, a testament to the locals' deep respect for the ocean and its bounties. So when you're savoring these dishes, you're not just filling your belly, you're also experiencing a piece of Bora Bora's soul. These are the top 10 dishes that define the exquisite cuisine of Bora Bora. In Bora Bora, every dish tells a story of its rich cultural heritage and the island's abundant natural resources. As we wrap up our culinary journey, let's take a moment to revisit the top 10 dishes that make Bora Bora's cuisine truly unique and enticing. Each dish we explored today is a testament to the island's diverse culture, its bountiful sea and fertile land. We started with poisson cru and chevrets. The former, a refreshing blend of raw fish marinated in lime juice and coconut milk, and the latter, a delightful sauté of shrimps, bring forth the island's oceanic treasures in the most flavorful way. Next, we delved into the unique tastes of fafaru and matu chin. Fafaru, a fermented fish delicacy, and matu chin, a Chinese-inspired dish of pork and vegetables, highlight the blend of local and international influences that shape Bora Bora's cuisine. Our journey continued with po and uru. Po, a sweet pudding made from bananas or papaya, and uru, breadfruit served in various forms, showcase the island's lush vegetation and its creative use in the local cuisine. We then indulged in the traditional ma'a Tahiti and eia ota. Ma'a Tahiti, a feast of local dishes, and eia ota, a Polynesian-style ceviche, are not just meals, but cultural experiences that bring communities together. Finally, we capped off our tour with the luxurious Bora Bora lobster and the refreshing Hinano beer. These two local favorites represent the epitome of indulgence in Bora Bora, with the lobster's succulent meat and Hinano's crisp and light flavor. Each of these dishes, with their unique flavors and cultural significance, contributes to the rich tapestry of Bora Bora's cuisine. They tell a story of a land blessed with abundant natural resources, a culture that values community and celebration, and a people who have mastered the art of utilizing these gifts to create a vibrant cuisine that truly stands out. Thank you so much for joining us on this Bora Bora culinary experience. Until next time, from all of us at Passport Journey in Bora Bora, safe travels!